Welcome to my channel. How to install a NETGEAR Wi-Fi extender without using WPS. Step 1. Plug in the extender. Plug your NETGEAR Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet near your router. Wait until the power LED becomes solid. Step 2. Connect to the extender network. On your phone, tablet, or computer, open Wi-Fi settings and connect to the extender's default network, usually named NETGEAR_EXT. Step 3. Open a web browser. Launch any web browser such as Chrome, Edge, or Safari on your connected device. Step 4. Visit the setup page. Type mywifi.exe.net into the browser's address bar and press enter. The NETGEAR setup page should open. Step 5. Create an account. Follow the on-screen instructions to create an extender admin account and set a password. Step 6. Start the setup wizard. Click New Extender Setup and allow the extender to search for nearby Wi-Fi networks. Step 7. Select your home Wi-Fi. Choose your existing Wi-Fi network from the list of available networks. Step 8. Enter the Wi-Fi password. Type your Wi-Fi network password carefully and click Next to connect the extender. Step 9. Complete the installation. Wait for the extender to connect to your router. The setup wizard will confirm when the connection is successful. Step 10. Move the extender to its final location. Unplug the extender and place it halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi coverage. Make sure the connection LED shows a good signal. Thanks for watching.